Now within today's video, let's run it back a bit. Now I'll be talking about when I just started out as a content creator and fast forward where I am right now. It's been a pretty long journey, but here's something to hear. I've upgraded. Yes, I have. But there are some really cool gadgets that I will still love to, share with you guys or review up to this date. And here they are. So what I have here with me are the Segems detachable foam lenses. And these lenses played a crucial role when I just started creating content. Cause boy, it was crazy. With just a smartphone, trust me, you want the best from your devices. And I got these pair of lenses, these detachable lenses. So currently here I have the Segems 10-in-1 smartphone lens kit, and also here I have the detachable lens, which is the 4-in-1 landscape. So these are what I have, and today we're gonna be unboxing these bad boys here. So this video is for you guys, the smartphone creators. DSLR mirrorless creators, well, you guys can swipe on this one, but this is for my smartphone guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. What I really do love about these lenses is that they actually come along with a pouch or zipper case. Now this comes in handy when you just done. Oh, look at that, manuals. Sorry, we have manuals here. Manuals. Quit playing around. Another thing to add on here is that this video is not a sponsored video. Let's not get it wrong. It's not a sponsored video. I bought these gadgets with my very own money, and yeah, I just tend to review this and give my thoughts about it, but it's not a sponsored video. So within the package where you get your cartoon boxing, you have the zipper bag. You also get a note card, right? From Segems, and it says thank you, enjoy, and don't forget to let us know what you think. Honestly, I'm about to do that. I'm about to tell you guys what I actually think honestly about these lenses. So let's get into it. First thing, we have our zipper bag here. When we open this up, hear that, just hear it. Asthma. So these are the 10-in-1 lenses. Okay, so with the zipper bag, you get a lens clamp, which is right here. You get the star filter lens. You got the mobile phone lens, regular lens. What else is here? Radar filter. You got the flow filter, and you just name it. But also within this package, you get cleaning cloths, well, for your cameras, just so to keep out the dust and everything. You also get a strap, well, to hold on to your zipper bag, just so you just don't lose them around. You also get to keep a Bluetooth remote. It actually comes with a Bluetooth remote. So I mean, for us vloggers, solo creators, this will actually come in handy for you guys. Well, this is it. So currently you have here the fisheye. This is the fisheye lens. There it is in focus. Okay, well, that is it. This is the zoom out lens, with the clamp for the mobile phone. So it's, I know you guys will want to try this out, so let's do a quick spin, right? Let's try it out quickly. So I have here with me my most trusted SE, and this bad boy has been carrying me for a really long time. I do love this, so I'm about to pair this with this guy. So all you have to do is look, here we have our mobile phone here. All you have to do is snap above the camera, make sure that's there, and open up to the camera. So as you see here, you want to adjust that, well, right there. Okay, right there. You want to adjust that right there, and with this you can get some pretty cool photos. Like, I mean, look at that. Look at that. You get some pretty cool photos, videos, you just name it. You just name it. So currently this is a test of my setup. As you guys can see, I'm using the fisheye lens right here with that. and forward, that's me. Hello guys. This can really be cool for certain type of effects. If you want to get that close up, kind of weird looking like effect, you can get that. See how close it is? Like, well, this is me with the phone. It's like this close. See that? This close. Right here. So that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. I just love them. I just do love them. Okay, moving on to the next set of lens we're gonna try out. This is gonna be a pretty long video, but I mean, trust me, you will love it. So let's just keep it going. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. These guys. Okay. Now with the so these are the 4-in-1 lens kits. Now these guys come with okay, so their filters they come in this case and they are a lot flatter, much flatter, similar to ND filters. These guys, the wide lens, this is it. This is what I'm talking about. I mean, you could compare this to a actual DSLR lens or a mirrorless lens, and this is the cam for the mobile phone. So oh, and yes, we also have here another gift card. And before we get to the lens, let's read this out. Thank you so much for your purchase. Are you happy with your lens, with your Segems lenses? Yes, I am. They're nice. But these alone are the micro lenses, and this gives you that zoom effect. So classy. Okay, so let's screw that on here and we'll give it a try. Let's say a thing or two about this setup. I really do love this setup, by the way. I might start, creating more with this setup, because for the grid tryout, we have the SE here. So look at this. Now, do you see this? This is the camera without the ultra wide lens. This is it. Here is the ultra wide lens, and we're about to put it on to give it a try. Now this is the after. I mean, see the difference, right? I was just having like just right here and to here with just a regular camera. On the ultra wide lens, you get to see more of the background, that of which is super amazing. So for creators, smartphone creators, guys, see, I told you guys, this makes your device look much cooler, very cooler. Like, imagine me pulling up to a session and be like, y'all love it. Y'all love it. Well, that's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Make sure to check out these lenses, or to get them. If you're actually in need of lenses like this and you're a smartphone creator, reach out my DM. Reach out quickly. I can connect you with some of these. Like, trust me, for affordable prices. So, well, until next time, it's your boy Jay, and I'll see you guys around.